Welcome to JRTV. Now, the citrus family, the lemon tree is nowadays daily. We will use lemon fruit in all recipes because this is the best natural antioxidant. The vitamin C will very after major surgery, after any illness or bedridden patient, use it to take citrus juice because Mosambik juice or citrus vitamin C supplementation, because there will be rejuvenation in tissue level, and the patient will be very it can recovery of the patient will be very fast, and the best antioxidant naturally is lemon tree. So but here we introduced that cucumber with this watermelon plantation with citrus family. So we are expecting now, it is in flowering stage. Small buds are coming, and it will I can retrieve yield after 2 months, by sure. So the best antioxidant in natural available fruit is citrus family. In coronavirus, if we take more of vitamin C supplementation, there will be increasing of immunity levels. So the best, any viral, any bacterial, any fungal or any contagious hospital acquired infections or droplet infections or nosocomial infections, means hospital acquired infections, nosocomial infections and droplet infections all are the same. If you cough, there will be droplets from one patient to the guest. So if you sneeze, there will be small micro droplets from nostrils, and there will be spilling of some droplets of infected salivary contamination, also more contagious in lung diseases and pulmonary pneumonia and pleurisy and pulmonary tuberculosis, Cox disease and bronchiectasis and pulmonary emphysema and pulmonary dry effusion and wet effusion. Like that, so many pulmonary diseases are more prone for contagious or hospital acquired infections may obtain by in congested area. So the living space should be very ventilated area, and there should be setbacks. We have to maintain the setbacks so that there will be from south side there will be more of ventilation, and we can get oxygenated air from southwest side continuously, and the windows and balconies should be exposure at the southwest level. So there won't be any Cox disease in future, because pulmonary tuberculosis is epidemic, and so we can control the pulmonary infections by maintaining this cultivation of these plants on open terrace, so that there will be continuous uninterrupted liberation of oxygen and absorption of all poisonous gases, carbon monoxide, methane, ethane and sulfuric vapors, hydrochloric vapors from different pharma industry or chemical industries, like that, and spilling of these arsenic and lead also will be controlled by plantation of these green leafy trees and vegetables and fruiting plants and rhizome family. So we can retrieve more of yield on open terrace rather than in open land cultivation, because open land cultivation, so many problems the farmer is facing, because buffaloes and goats and cows and sheep and rabbits and from snake problem and wild pork attacks and number of and thieves, daytime and night times also thieves will there will be so much of pilferage to the crop. So to avoid this pilferage or problems from different domestic and ferocious animals and carnivorous animals, we have to utilize our natural commercial space and residential space by introducing this open terrace cultivation in active mode, and so that we can retrieve more of yield from open land on open terrace cultivation. See, the citrus vitamin C is a number one vitamin for tissue regeneration and healing process. Only the if any patient gone for surgery, after seventh day the sutures will be removed, because within 1 week of duration the healing process will be very active and energetic, and the tissue regeneration and tissue fusion will be done by vitamin C supplementation. So daily lemon water with honey will be very antioxidant. It will cut off the viscous sputum from the throat, so that the voice will be more of clarity, and there will be there won't be any deglutition problem, and there won't be any speech problem, and there won't be any chronic spitting habit, because so many patients will continuously spit sputum by downing the car glass, or by traveling on auto, or traveling on a cycle. They will spit occasionally, very frequently they will spit the sputum. If the sputum levels will be maintained normal by this taking lemon water and add 5 to 6 drops of honey, will be very active, and the person who will habit of taking lemon water with honey will be very energetic and very active, and the energy levels from morning to at bedtime will be the same, and there won't be any syncopic conditions, or any panic situations, or any loss of energy, or any discharge of energy. So we have to utilize the natural fruits rather than artificial or chemical. So one lemon is one lemon will be more than sufficient for one adult person. Thank you.